All right, Patriots, welcome lower back. Today, we're going to dive right into a huge tale growing proper now in the gun rights network. The Second Amendment Sanctuary Movement 2.0, it is being called, by using my friends, and it's gaining fresh momentum in Virginia, who wishes it terrible, and a selected neighborhood victory that just hit the headlines, and you might not recognize approximately it. So, in case you're a defender of the Second Amendment, or otherwise you just find it irresistible and widespread, you're going to want to paste by way of, and watch this one from start to finish. Before I begin, I need to thank CMMG for sponsoring this channel. Sorry, I were given something on my display. I didn't hit Do Not Disturb. But test them out, men. They make terrific stuff. I've been telling you for years. Check out their quieting tubes, mainly the brand new raw versions, which can be an FTE sort of color that I love, and I recognize they may be looking this. I love them. They commenced approximately 5.5 of, and it's extraordinary. So take a look at them out. CMMG. Now, all of us recognize the Second Amendment sanctuary movement is not new. It started out returned in like 1920, and loads of neighborhood localities in Virginia declared themselves sanctuaries in response to proposed statewide gun management measures. With the aid of early 2020, about 95% of counties and cities inside the Commonwealth of Virginia had adopted a few shape of sanctuary resolution. Some were one of a kind than others. However, it sent a shockwave via Richmond and passed. Well, fast ahead to today, 2026. The political winds in Virginia have shifted dramatically, and the Kingdom Authorities is now in Democrat control with majorities in both legislative chambers and a focus on expanding gun legal guidelines, and their new governor is loopy. And the truth that this is going on has spurred renewed activism among gun proprietors and elected officials within the nation who see this as a combat for our constitutional rights. Simple and easy. And this is the backdrop for what we are calling the Second Amendment Sanctuary Movement 2.0. I recognize in some arenas, and I'm just going to undertake that. It's a resurgence of nearby resistance, a symbolic measure. This is strategic. That's what our founders would do. And before we get into the modern, permits ensure we understand why the sanctuary fame is massive and what it genuinely method. A second modification sanctuary is not a secession. It isn't a separate criminal device, and it doesn't magically overwrite state regulation. But what it does suggest is that a city, county, or metropolis officially pledges no longer to commit its own resources, its personal money, and now not to dedicate its very own neighborhood police, its own law enforcement to imposing country gun manipulate laws that they see as unconstitutional. And in the eyes of these sanctuaries, if a nation passes gun-managed laws that infringe on our right, the rights of regulation-abiding gun owners, nearby law enforcement may not be a lively accomplice in implementing those measures. At the least, now not inside the locality's assets, meaning the state police can nevertheless do this, however they don't have enough human beings. And that could be a direct grassroots resistance driven by way of the citizens, the town councils, and the Board of Supervisors saying, we stand with the Constitution. Now, let's get to what is occurring today. Pro-gun activists in Virginia are calling this the Second Amendment Sanctuary Movement 2. Well, zero. Understand a brand new wave of sanctuary proclamations and reaffirmations designed to send a message to state lawmakers that nearby governments and gun owners are not going to quietly be given sweeping gun control regulation. Now, this clean wave isn't only a repeat of what occurred in 2020. It's strategic. Number one, it will reaffirm existing sanctuary statuses in communities that followed them a few years ago. Number two, it's encouraging new resolutions in cities and towns and counties that had now not previously taken a stand. And three, it's constructing public pressure to slow and or stop gun managed payments inside the well-known meeting. Remember, it is always easier to stop a bill earlier than it becomes a law than to fight in court for years. And this push isn't restricted to rural counties anymore. We're seeing it in urban areas as nicely in addition to suburban areas. So right here's modern-day headline that everybody in the Second Amendment network ought to know approximately. Windsor Town Council, Virginia. The Town Council just unanimously voted 6-0 to undertake Second Amendment and sanctuary resolutions a pair days in the past. I'm a pair days past due because I'm on a journey. I'm on area with the attorneys on retainers conference. However, it's massive. And Vice Mayor David Adams added the decision. And right here's what he said. He stated, quote, I am an unapologetic 2D modification absolutist, reassuring the city citizens that our endless resources will now not be utilized to enforce unconstitutional firearm restrictions, end quote. And it really is key. That's key language. not simply status with gun proprietors on precept like some politicians do, however, pledging in black and white into neighborhood ordinances. Now, Windsor isn't a massive town. It's a totally small town in southeast Virginia. However, that unanimous voice subjects for numerous reasons. It's a clear sign that nearby officials are being attentive to their materials. Now, not just political strain from Richmond, Virginia, and it extends sanctuary protections into more jurisdictions in a country where gun rights are more and more underneath attack. And it units precedent other cities, and small cities can now comply with. And that is how actions scale from grassroots. That is what we are doing proper here. They're getting out records grassroots. So some critics, consisting of some within the kingdom's attorney fashionable office, have said that sanctuary resolutions don't have any legal effect. And it truly is genuine in a strict judicial sense. But allows be actual, politics isn't determined in courts alone. When dozens or masses of neighborhood governments officially declare that their residents want to protect their rights, it does three matters. Number one, it alerts to kingdom politicians that they constitute a broader base than simply the capital. Two, it mobilizes gun proprietors to stay politically engaged, no longer passive. And three, it creates a story that the Second Amendment community isn't always taking flight. We are advancing. It's now not symbolic resistance, it is strategic pressure. It's time to get concerned, girls and gents. And recall, in locations like Lynchburg, CS councils have already reaffirmed their sanctuary popularity in reaction to these new legislative threats, displaying that this is not a one-and-done deal. Now, let's return a bit and look at the bigger picture right here. Virginia's political panorama changed notably after the latest elections right here. Democrats now manipulate the governor's office, who she's a wacko. I imply she wore a bag over her head with a respirator for the duration of CO. That says sufficient. In addition, they very own the chambers and the legislature, and gun manage bills had been rushing through. Richmond developing an experience of urgency among Crown residents and officers, and it ought to, due to the fact they may be going to bypass the whole lot they can. And that's fueled this movement to recommit, no longer simply to declare sanctuaries, however, to bolster them. And some are doing reaffirmations, even as others are beginning sparkling. It's true to look, it is a direct reaction to what locals view as overreach, no longer in remoted protest, but a coordinated method across the Commonwealth. Whether we're talking about new restrictions or new resolutions as an alternative or reaffirmations, every vote tells country lawmakers loud and clean, we're now not backing down when our rights are at stake, and we're not going to help you infringe. So the big query for you at Domestic is this. What comes subsequent? If you are a Virginia gun owner or a gun proprietor in another country watching this, right here is what you need to look for. Number one, cities and counties pushing sanctuary resolutions this spring and early summer. It's going to maintain. Also search for local leaders using these votes to steer country legislative sessions. And also three, look for grassroots corporations like Virginia Citizens Defense League, the BCDL, I'm a member, I love them, and they're organizing residents everywhere in the state on those issues. They need assist. And then there is new political electricity in groups that have not even engaged before, and they're starting to get concerned. And this is not like a passive bankruptcy. It's a live political battlefield. And unlike 2020, wherein the point of interest changed into first declarations, 2026 is set pushing the momentum ahead. All proper, patriots? That's your deep dive into the Second Amendment Sanctuary Movement 2.0 and what occurred in Windsor, Virginia to feature to that victory. And it simply shows how powerful the grassroots activism can be. So it's on us to unfold it. Spread this video. If you're fired up, approximately defending our rights, proportionate. Leave a comment down under and permit your local officers. Recognize that you want them at the proper aspect of records. Stay safe, stay armed, stay free, and live armed with the statistics. Guys and gals, I'll maintain bringing it to you so long as you maintain watching. I respect you all so much. Thank you for permitting me to carry you the information on an everyday foundation. It's actually a passion of mine, and I'm happy that you share the ardor for a unfastened America. I'll see you all within the next one. Have a top-notch day. Check out CMMG. Rock on. Take care.